No, I don't think so. I don't think I will be getting down from here, is what I'm saying. No, I actually might just sleep up here too. Mm-hmm. Interesting. No, I think I'll just stay up here. Thank you. You can bring me food though. I'm sorry. What do you mean I can't eat on top of the fridge? This is this is my throne. I hold the high ground. This is my domain, I guess you could say. What do you mean by that? Mm, it sounds like you want to rule the domain, and so you don't want me up here. That's what I'm hearing. No, what I don't want to get down though. I'm quite content where I'm at right now. So, mm, no, I think I'll just I guess I can just won't eat, and that's that. Mm-hmm. I will. I'll go and strike right now. That's it. I'm sleeping up here too. You can't stop me. Nope. Hmm. No, this is my throne. You're in my kingdom. And it's time for my royal nap. So, if you would be so kind to turn out the light, obviously. Silly. Hmm. Looks like you're revolting against me. My own subjects. They don't respect royalty. Mm-hmm. Okay. If you say so. Fine, fine, I'll get down. Um, hmm. Um, could you help me down, please? Um, I don't remember how I got up here. It's huh. Uh, could you could you please help me down? I'm starting to get a little nervous. um, um, maybe if I just no. Um, what about what about no? Thank you. Yes, I've learned my lesson. Only climb up to places that I know I can get down from. What, no climbing at all? Mm, fine. No, it's fine. I just enjoy climbing things and now I can't do that. So, mm, I guess that's true. I always do seem to get stuck. But you always help me get back down. Which is, I don't know, it's kind of like our little ritual. Hmm. Okay, I won't climb anymore. But only because you asked me to so nicely. Yeah. No, I have not eaten. I've been up on the fridge all day. To be honest, I wanted down a few hours ago, and then I couldn't find my way down, so I just decided to stay up there. And I made it my throne. Mm-hmm. I just, decided that was my life. Hmm. Okay. So, food? What are you thinking? Could, we order food? I think you know what I'm wanting. Come on. I've been stuck on a fridge all day long, and you would deny me getting the food that I want? How could you be so cruel? I'm kidding, I'm kidding. We don't have to. My feelings are only hurt a little bit. We can? Okay. But only if you want to, that is. Food and then what? What are you thinking? Movie? Sure, I would love to watch a movie. Like I said, I've been stuck on the fridge all day. Sorry, my throne. I've been stuck on my throne all day. Doing my kingly things that I need to do for my kingdom. Mm-hmm. Of course, of course. Super busy all the time. No, I'm not too tired. I just, How about some how about some coffee too, please? Yeah. I think coffee is a must this evening. um, hmm. I will miss my throne. No, I felt so powerful up there. Like I was on top of the world. Yeah. I mean, it's not so bad up there. It's a little dirty, but I cleaned it. Hmm. Yes, please, coffee. Thank you. Goodness. I never thought I would be this tired. Okay. Well, did you get the food ordered? Okay, good. I am very hungry. Um, what would you like to watch? Oh, that's the new one that just came out, right? No. Oh, sorry. I haven't kept up with the new movies and stuff. It just sounded new. Oh, so it's not new, but it's somewhat new. Okay, okay, so I wasn't far off. Of course I wasn't. I'm royalty. I can never be wrong, obviously. um, okay, well let's go rent that and then we can watch it tonight. Once we get our food, of course. Could we eat in the living room, please? Pretty please? Pretty please? I promise I won't get any crumbs on the couch. Pinky promise. Double pinky promise. Triple? Yes. Okay. Well, what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go.